guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're an OD, welcome back, guys. Today we are doing a hair review on Licoville. I hope I'm saying this right. Licoville or Licoville, you know, I don't know, but we're doing a hair review on Licoville hair. I purchased their hair with their wigs a lot. All of my wigs that you see, like this one, the purple one, the like orange tone one, yeah, I think that's about it. I can't think of any other one, but any wig that's colored, I purchased it for them. I get their 613 hair, and this is in the 8-inch. They have it ranging from 810, and it can go up. Y'all excuse my nails. Yeah. So the hair comes in a package like this, which I thought was really cute. It comes like this, and then when you open the package, the hair comes in a little bag that you can store your hair in once you take it off. It also comes with a stocking cap, and it also comes with a hair net, which I feel like is very beneficial when it helps store your hair and just keeps your wig still in good condition. So definitely is a plus for me because I have a lot of wigs and I'm just running out of space to put them. So definitely this is a great little way to keep your hair fresh, keep it secure and neat in a little bag. But for this video, I'm going to show you guys how I process and color this hair. It was a little challenge, so you'll see me do the watercolor method, but then I go back in and I have to actually put color the hair by hand with the application brush because given that we're in quarantine, I was limited hair stores to go to get the actual products I normally use, so I had to work with what I had. So that is why I had to dye this hair twice. But for the most part, guys, I enjoyed the way it came out. You know, I'm not a color, this is new, but I like it, so we're just gonna rock with it. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do and you make it to the end, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload, guys. But as always, stay true and stay you, and let's get into this video.